I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making peanut butter truffles with a twist. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Last year, for Halloween, we made some spooky peanut butter truffles. Well, today we're flipping the switch. We're making friendly peanut butter truffles. Keto-friendly, that is. A few of our ketogenic compadres have been asking for some love, and this clocks in at less than 3 net carbs per truffle, so I think we're good. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own keto peanut butter truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see, keto or otherwise, in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. To make this recipe, you'll need 68 grams of peanut butter, 18 grams of sugar-free maple syrup or other liquid sugar substitute, 20 grams of coconut flour, and 60 grams of keto-friendly chocolate chips. I'm using Lily's, which seems to be a popular brand. Note that Lily's contains cocoa butter, which makes it real chocolate. That, in turn, means it'll need to be tempered. I devoted a whole episode to tempering, which I'll link to in the description. I did find some sugar-free melting wafers online that don't require tempering, but all the ones I found contained maltitol, which I'm told is a keto no-no. You'll also need a couple of bowls, a cutting board covered with waxed paper, parchment, or silpat, a scoop or a spoon, an instant read thermometer, and a precision dipping tool. Okay, let's make some candy. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together the peanut butter and syrup. Add the coconut flour and mix until it's combined. I'd recommend that you not add all the flour at once. Some peanut butters contain more moisture than others, and you don't want this dough to be too wet or too dry. Just add enough flour that it'll hold its shape when you form it, but not become dry and crumbly. Also, give it a taste here. If it's not sweet enough, you can add some sugar substitute to get the flavor that you want. Scoop up the mixture and roll it into balls. Then place them on the cutting board. Now we're going to temper the chocolate using the seeding method. Put about 3/4 of the chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl and heat them to somewhere between 110 and 118 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring every 30 seconds. Add the remaining chips to the bowl and stir until the temperature comes down to just below 90 degrees Fahrenheit. At the last minute, I decided the truffles were too big, so I divided each one in two. Dip the truffles into the chocolate, tap off the excess, and place them back on the cutting board. I decided to top them with cacao nibs to add some crunch as well as make them a little prettier. I also decided to do some with a drizzle instead of coating them. You have a ton of options here. Let them cool at room temperature for a couple of hours or until fully set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. I think I'll go for the fully coated one. Slanchiva. These are actually much better than I expected. Nice snap from the tempered chocolate, nice chocolate flavor. The Lily's milk chocolate has a darker flavor than other milk chocolate I've had, so that's a plus. Peanut butter, always good. And I'm not really tasting the maple or the coconut. The cacao nibs add a nice crunch and a little bitterness, but not too much. Whether you're doing keto or not, you really ought to try these. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. That, in turn, means it That, in turn, means it need... No, why can't I say this? You don't want this dull...